Hey, it's Seb de la Web, and today I'm going to address a very common issue on the custom product page layout within Flatsome. As you can see, here's a paragraph, there's another P, there's another P. So paragraphs are magically appearing on your custom product layout, giving it a terrible experience because as you can see, you will get a lot of unnecessary spaces on your product page, and it will give you even less results in terms of conversion because people need to scroll down before they eventually find the add to cart button. So let me tell you what happens and why this occurs. One of the things that my clients often do is instead of opening the product layout from the product page, clicking on edit product layout with the UX builder, they go to the WP editor, meaning the backend, and here you can also find the custom product page of the UX blocks, having all the UX shortcode at your disposal. And whenever you are switching from visual to text, paragraphs are magically appeared, or they're going to get inserted because these breaks are recognized as paragraphs whenever you do an update. So I highly recommend, and it's a very easy fix, not going to UX blocks and then open up the UX builder, because you won't see much anyway because the WooCommerce data is not loaded, as you can see. But what happens is that these UX shortcodes are reverted, and that, as you can see, paragraphs are inserted because the UX builder thinks it needs to insert paragraphs as kind of breaks. So never open up the product layout from the UX block section. Always go to the front end, click on a certain product or a product that is within the category, and then once you have opened up a product, go and click on edit product layout with the UX builder, because in that sense you will never get these crazy paragraphs that will tear up your whole custom product page layout. So hopefully this is useful for you whenever you see these crazy paragraphs, and yeah, let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.